back to another video. Sorry that the lighting is atrocious. I'm in my bathroom and the lighting here is always bad. Today's video we are gonna be glowing up / getting ready for school because it starts in 2 weeks and I'm terrified, not prepared. Yeah, today I'm gonna be going to the mall, going clothes shopping, maybe some other stuff shopping. I have some jewelry that's coming soon. I think it arrived today. I don't know, I have to check. But I'm also gonna be showing you guys that stuff. That's quite the lashes. Let's do the other side. If it looks bad, I'll just redo it. Okay, I did the other side. I don't know how to feel about it, but I think it's because like my eyes are so dark. Like around, I look like a little raccoon. Looks like I don't sleep, even though I do sleep a lot. Hopefully this looks better now a little bit. Okay, the lashes are growing on me. I feel like it's okay. I don't want to get dressed yet because I love my PJs. It's Spider-Man. So I'm gonna get dressed later. I still gotta do my hair, but I don't feel like recording that, so yeah, okay. So I got changed and I did my hair and look what came. Ana Luisa was kind enough to send me these jewelry pieces and I'm so excited to open it with you guys. They also sent me a coupon code that you can use. It's right here and I'll also be in the link description. So now let's open it up. Ana Luisa is also a really cool brand. They were featured in Vogue and InStyle and Elle and all that stuff. And if you know me, you know that I love my Vogue. So this is so cool. The box is opened and I already love it so much. Like these bags are definitely reusable and I love how like you can recycle all of this too. Let's open the first one. So first what I got was this really pretty ring. Hold on, if it can focus. It won't focus. And here it is on. I'm gonna wear this today just so I can like tell you guys about the comfort level and all that stuff, but it looks so pretty. I love how like sparkly it is and everything. Love it. I've been wanting to wear more jewelry and because they have such good quality stuff, I'm excited to wear this all year round. Now the next one, he sent me these really pretty earrings as well. I've been also trying to wear more earrings lately. I just haven't had any good ones, so I'm so excited to wear these. Look how adorable that is. They're so lightweight, like I barely feel them. The earrings are the Frida in silver, and then the ring is Celine, also in silver. Their stuff is so good, such good quality. Definitely check them out. They have so many different options for people if you wear silver or gold jewelry. They also have some pearl stuff, which is so cute. I love pearls, so this is amazing. They also provide free shipping and exchanges in the US. Their jewelry is tarnish free and hypoallergenic, and they also provide a 2-year free warranty. All the items also came so quickly, and like I said, I love the packaging. It's so good for the environment. The box is recyclable. You can reuse these little bags for like school supplies or other stuff. I'm so excited to wear these this year, and I'll give you guys updates today on how the jewelry is holding up, if it's comfy, if it's not. Thank you again so much, Ana Luisa, for sending me the stuff. Don't forget to use my code, and we have to go now. We're here. I already found something at Target. Okay, so we're looking for low-rise baggy pants and jorts. If I do buy something, which I think I will because I love to shop, I will definitely give you guys a haul when I get back. I love baby tees like this. Maybe I'll get something like Paris or something because I went to Paris. I love that, and like the matching sweatpants too. I don't know if I'll actually wear it though, so no, nothing cute. So we're going to the book section. Also, the earrings, when I wear my headphones, like it doesn't hurt, like it doesn't press or anything, so they go really good with headphones. Like I'm wearing them right now, not red, anything, really good. Selections today is crazy. I still need to listen to the entire album, but I love Floyd. Okay, editing Olivia here. I totally recommend this album. Holy crap, it was like a full experience. Listen with headphones because this, yeah, that was amazing. Anyways, and Lover. I really want to get the Folklore album though because that's my favorite album. Fleetwood Mac 2. Really good selection today. I'm gonna head over to Aeropostale right now. Hopefully they have some cute stuff. Aero had a lot of cute stuff, but they were only taking cash and no one carries cash in America, so I just went into Hollister and they have so much Formula One stuff. They now also have Red Bull stuff. And then also, of course, McLaren. I think they had Williams at some point, but I can't find that. Hey guys, so it's a couple days later. I decided I'm gonna do the haul later a little bit because I have some things coming in the mail and I just want to do like a full haul, you know? So we're gonna do my nails right now. Orientation is in like 3 days and I keep putting everything off. I don't know why, but I am. I got these press-ons. They're pink. They're beautiful. I also have these other ones, but I decided to do the pink ones because they're a little shorter, and then also my outfit is gonna go well with that. Okay, you're gonna go here because you can see my nails better, blah, blah, blah. Don't mind the mess. It's a mess, but just don't mind it. First, what we gotta do is we gotta prep the nails. This thingamabobber. With like an alcohol pad. Gotta use these sticky tabs. We got the pinky on. Okay, now let's get the other ones on. Okay, I think it's kind of cute so far. I'm gonna do my other hand and then I'll get back to you guys. I just put them on and they are so cool. Like, they look real. This sounds so cool. I'm not used to having like extravagant nails, like 3D stuff on it, like the flowers and stuff, so I definitely have to get used to that, but this is so pretty. Next order of business is my eyebrows because they have grown out. They don't look bad. It's just I want to shade them so that they look the best, you know? Can't touch water for like 2 hours or something so that the glue like 100% sets. I love doing this. That's so cool. I'm gonna wait 2 hours and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Yeah, actually guys, I want to show you my outfits that I'm gonna wear for orientation and the first day of school. I know I said I was gonna do a haul later, but because I am gonna wear the new clothes, I'm just gonna show it to you now. From Aeropostale, they did take credit card. I don't know what I heard, but it's this cute top. I love it. I got stuck in it in the changing room because I was like putting it over my waist, which is stupid. Don't do that. Put it on like a regular shirt, and then I started freaking out and like, yeah. Anyways, from Hollister we got this beautiful skirt. I'm actually obsessed with it. It's like the tiered one and it also has shorts, of course, because Hollister is a girl's girl, and also pockets. Pow! Love that. Amazing. Okay, now let me show you the outfits. Stuck in it again, but this is what we're gonna this is what we're gonna wear. I love this top so much. Like, I love how this is like the main thing, and then you could wear like, oh, don't mind the socks, but you could wear like the most basic pants ever. This is gonna be orientation unless the pants that I ordered come before, and then I will wear those, and then I'll obviously show you as well. And then I think I'm gonna wear like white Converse or something just because, yeah. Hold on, let me get off. And I'm also gonna wear this cute bow because it goes like, well, it's so cute. I love everything. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna show you first day of school outfit now. This is the outfit. I don't know if the belt is too much or not, so we'll see. And then also I have this really cute headband from Brandy that has like pink and that matches, and it's beautiful and amazing. And I'm gonna wear my Sambas with that. Here's a picture because that's freaking adorable. Yeah, okay, now let us do my eyebrows. Okay, so it's a little while later. It's got like really dark outside. That's why this lighting is so weird. But my pants also arrived from Bershka. The jorts, for some reason, they're really wrinkly. But that's cool. Also, the nails are holding up, except I like slammed my hand in like a door. So these popped off, but I'm gonna put them back on later. Now let's finally do my brows. I put the mirror closer to me so I don't accidentally like do something. We have the razor thingy majiggy. I'm just gonna like clean it up a little bit. I'm just basically just cleaning it up. Like, I'm not doing a big transformation with the brows. Ooh. Was that dumb? I think that was dumb. Okay, I think I did well. Also, what the fart? What is that? Stress. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I don't know how many times I've said that. I think I'm just gonna end the video here just because it's late, I'm tired. I have orientation tomorrow, I'm scared. I need to go to bed early. Next video is probably gonna be like a what's in my bag video or something. I don't know, because my school supply still hasn't arrived and school starts in like 5 days. So yeah, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa Jewelry. Their stuff is really cool. Don't forget to use my code as well. Let me know if you get anything. Maybe we could match, you know, that'd be pretty cool. Yeah, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.